Hello everyone. Today's topic is time evolution of quantum state. We know that every system have some quantum state, and with the passage of time new quantum states evolve, and our purpose is to find the connection between these initial and final state. So for this purpose we introduce an operator which is called linear operator or a unitary operator, which have some connection between these states. We say that our final state and initial state. Initial energy state is psi t naught and final energy state is psi t. So what is the relation between these states? For this purpose we have linear operator u, which is unitary operator, which depend on t and t naught, where t is final time and t naught is initial time of the system. We can define the final energy state psi t with the two things. First is unitary operator and second is initial energy state. Okay, so the final state is equal to the initial state times to the unitary operator, which is u t t naught. In general t is always greater than the t naught, means final time t is always greater than the initial time t naught. And if we say that our initial and final time of the new state are equal, then the unitary operator is equals to the identity operator. Okay, now we consider the time dependent Schrodinger equation and substitute the values of psi in that equation. Now substitute the values of psi in that equation, and here it is I iota h cut del unitary operator upon my del t, and initial state equals to h unitary operator and initial state. Both side initial states are same, so cancel it, and the resultant equation is iota h cut del by del t unitary operator, which is equals to h unitary operator. Now and here we take iota h cut on other side, then it will become this equation. This equation is a differential equation. After solving it will become this, which is called evolution operator, and this is our answer, evolution operator. And for the final energy state equals to e exponential की power minus iota t minus t naught, which is final time minus initial time h upon my h cut and times to the initial state. Okay, so it is this is our evolution operator, and we for evolution operator we use unitary operator, because unitary operator deals with the initial and final state of the system, like how they evolve. So hope you understand this lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment if you have any doubt, and keep sharing to your friends. Thank you.